You guys all ready? All right, we're gonna start serving these people. I'm gonna give you a countdown, let you know what's going on.
I'm good.
How many contestants do we have?
I'm good. Go ahead, Joe.
Joe. All right, let's see what contestants we have here. What's your name?
Richard the second.
Richard. Now, what's the? This is kind of an odd question to ask me. What's the most amount of sausage you've ever eaten in your entire life?
5, 6.
We're gonna see if you can do it in 5 minutes. What's your name?
Don Brown.
Dom Brown. So we do have some guys. Hey, who's rooting for Dom? There we go. What's your name, buddy?
Jordan Smith.
Jordan Smith.
Shane Cohen.
Shane Cohen. You guys got anybody here with you? Is there a rooting section? Guys, when they say their names, you can start getting a little bit louder. Keep holding for me. We got 2 ladies. What's your name?
Anna Carone.
There's a cheer section. Your name?
Kate McBee.
Are you guys gonna be able to compete with the boys?
Yeah.
Oh, they're already talking trash. Now, how many of you guys know each other?
Yeah, we know.
What's your name, buddy?
Giuliano Zappo.
Sapo.
Oh, here we go.
I'm Chris Berry.
Chris? I gotta get my big hindquarters.
Better fast first well, doesn't it?
Joe McQuay. Joe McQuay? Anybody? And who? Oh, you were the last one that got roped into this, right? You weren't gonna do it? Okay.
Bob Myers from beautiful Glenburnie. Glenburnie.
Glenburnie? Anyone?
Good. Back up a little bit so she can do her thing.
Guys sure bubbling back. That doesn't know what we're giving.
Let's go. 5 minutes has started. Let me get out of
Hold
you guys'
on a
way so you
second.
can see.
That's right, Shane. Concentrate, baby. Concentrate.
Work it, work it.
Fight through the pain.
This is just, oh, he's look at this. That's a double one right there. 2 at a time.
You got it, baby.
4.5, guys. We're 30 seconds in. How you feeling? Look at this.
You got it, baby.
We got 1 finished over here.
Look.
He's down 1.
Come on, baby.
He's almost finished 2. He's working it.
Come on.
Okay. 4 minutes. Guys, just to mention it to you, first place is going to get 2 club level tickets for Ravens versus Jacksonville, August 23rd, valued at $600. 20 pounds of Roma sausage for your tailgate party, and $25 gift certificate to Isabella's. Second place will get 2 Oriole tickets. You get to pick your game. 10 pounds of Roma sausage, $25 gift certificate to Isabella's. And third place gets 10 pounds of Roma sausage and $25 to Isabella's. So that's what you guys are competing for. She's just barely over 3, so is he about 3.5? We're approaching 2 minutes and 30 seconds right now. Oh, down below 3 right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's working it. Oh, you guys are woke a sleeping giant
professional
over here. 2.5 left for him.
Finish that
How we
piece.
doing
Finish
on
that
that
piece.
end? Compared to these, you guys are getting a free meal at least. We are at 2 minutes left. 2 minutes remaining.
You're so close.
And he is down to 2 sausages left. Oh, man.
Come on, Shane. Concentrate.
We're, you've got a little, you got 3 sausages left. 4 over here. I think the competition is down at this end. He's got 2. We are at 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute 30. How are we doing on that end? Oh, yeah?
He's got a water down there. 2.5.
We need some more water. There we go. 1.5 sausage for this guy right here.
Down to 2.
He's down to 2. Down to 2 here in the Oreo shirt.
At the end.
All right.
1.5. And you are observing right now instead of eating. All right, we have 1 minute remaining.
Come on,
1
Joe!
minute remaining.
We want Joe! Joe!
Come on, you can finish it. 1 minute to eat 1 sausage.
You got it, girl. Go ahead.
45 seconds remaining. 45 seconds.
45 seconds. Look how focused he is. Take it off. Number 1 right now.
These are Italian sauces, right? No beer brats. He's not going to need to lift home.
Mama time.
All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you go. There's your winner.
Who got second?
And once again, guys, he's won 2 club level tickets for the Ravens versus Jacksonville Jaguars game August 23rd. 20 pounds of Roma sausage, even though you just basically finished 2 pounds. And a $25 gift certificate to Isabella's. Who finished in second over here? Where are we at? Second place right here. Give them a round of applause. 2 Oreo tickets. You get to pick your game. 10 pounds of Roma sausage, 25 bucks to Isabella's. In third place, right here, 10 pounds of Roma sausage and $25 to Isabella's. Congratulations, guys. How does everybody feel?